Welcome to the Domin Technology Centre, and thank you so much everyone for coming. It's a great pleasure for me to share this with you all. We have humble beginnings and audacious goals to revolutionise the hydraulics industry, and the co-location of our manufacturing technology and our engineering technology together means we've taken one of the biggest steps forwards towards achieving that goal and making it a reality.
What I've seen here at Domin is absolutely fascinating. First of all, I'm so pleased that they've relocated here, and what really excites me is the technology and what it means for the future of advanced manufacturing across all the sectors.
Domin are producing some really innovative suspension units that we've been testing with them. The technology that they're bringing onto the latest units is going to be even more exciting.
Head and shoulders above their peers.
The team here is some of the best and the brightest.
It's a privilege to work with them because they are so innovative. They really are doing something genuinely different.